Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yosha and I am your go-to channel for all things real. So right now I'm actually at home doing my own pedicure. All of this stuff came from my local Dollar Tree or Walmart, and this pedi spa that I'm using, I actually purchased it at Ross a couple of years ago. It was like $25. So right now my feet are actually soaking in the water. I tried to show you all what I did to get the mixture, but basically I used some pink Epsom salt and I boiled that with hot water, and then I combined some room temperature water with it and added some spa petty lavender sea salt. And I added that because I feel like it really helps to relax my feet and soften them up. And so I have my feet sitting in that. And then I also made a pink sea salt and sugar scrub. And I used like 5 ingredients for this, maybe 4. But it has 3 oils, the sea salt, and the sugar. So the consistency, I like to say it looks kind of like grits, and it's 100% natural. You could actually eat this if you wanted to, but I mean, it's gonna taste a little odd because it's a little more salt than sugar, and it just looks like this. I'm trying to show you guys like what it looks like. But I don't know at your nail salon if you go and you get your feet done and they put like this thick scrub on your feet. This is kind of like what that is. I made it for the first time after just watching some other content here on YouTube. This has pink salt, white sugar, olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil mixed together. So, and it smells really good. I might, I don't know how I'm going to be able to save this, but I'm going to use this on my feet and my good old Dollar Tree equipment to get these feet in shape, because baby, it is overdue. They look rough up in here. And then I bought this to use with my pedicure, specifically because I wanted to use the pumice stone for it. So I have that, and then I have some tools that I had before. Let me see if I can reach it. Y'all, I'm in this thing trying to multitask. I have this. I watched some YouTube videos on how you're actually supposed to use it. So I'm going to try to use it correctly and see how it goes, because y'all, my feet is rough on the bottom. Like, I can't deal with it anymore. I'm letting them soak for a good 15 minutes. Okay. Inside of there, I did also add a couple of some drops of Dove soap and some bubble bath to give it the bubbles. But really the main part that I was trying to make sure I had was consistently hot water, which is why I add the boiling water. Like, here's my pro tip. I like to add at least, I would say, 2.5 to 3 cups of boiling water to my foot soak. And then I like to balance it out with room temperature or cold water to make it a consistent warm that lasts. I noticed that when I would use hot water out of the bathtub or out of the sink, it would not stay hot long enough. And by hot, I mean like warm long enough. It'll get cold much faster. So when you add that boiling water, it definitely seems to make it last a little longer. So stay tuned, you guys. I'll try to show you as much as I can. This is more of a vlog, a before and after show and tell. But yeah, I'll show y'all something after I get through soaking. I just took my feet out. I'm about to go to the bathtub and pour out this water, clean out my spa machine and put it away. And I'm going to scrub my feet using some Dove body wash original and the brush. Scrub my feet down, and then I'm going to get ready to go on the actual pedicure. I put all that salt in this water and my feet started to hurt from the salt. And I think it's because the salt can cause like irritation. About to get into the scrubbing and I'll be back. I just got through putting my tools to work. My feet feel really soft now. I have short, fat feet, guys. They feel so much better though. I did put the sugar scrub on there, and then I had to use some soap. But I'm gonna put some lotion on so that I can put that moisture back in, because I basically rinsed it off. And I'll be using some Nivea and some castor oil. And then I'm gonna polish them up and, shape them, make them look pretty, and then I'll be done. Alright, you guys, so I am done. I am sweating. and I'm pleased with the way it came out because I tried the tips that I learned on YouTube and my feet feel super soft. The only reason why I'm like uncomfortable is because like for me to get my feet and actually do a good job, I have to kind of step and bend over to do each foot. So it's a little uncomfortable. So I have this like glow going on. But yeah, that's like my self-care routine when I do for myself. If I can keep up this rate, I probably will not be going back to the nail salon to pay for a pedicure again because I love the way they came out. I have fat feet, y'all. But right now you can kind of see how it's looking. Ain't no before picture. I don't even got no before picture. I was avoiding cameras like the plague before. This is not something I haven't done before, but my feet were looking like the struggle and I could not take it anymore. So I was watching some videos because I wanted to know specifically how to get them softer on the bottom. Look pretty good. Let me zoom it in. Let's zoom it in. Let me know if you like to see more like self-care moments with Yosha vlog type experiences. I really don't vlog as much on my channel as I used to, but I can definitely do it if y'all like to see it. I tried to do this as a tutorial and it was an epic fail. Not because I don't know what I'm doing, but because I don't know exactly how to position a camera and show y'all. Yeah, you guys, let me know what you do to take care of you at home. Let me know if you've tried something different yourself. Like, have you tried doing your hair for the first time, dyeing your hair, you know, doing your own nails or toes because you couldn't go? I love to hear it.